Hello guys, let's look at this question. Something really strange is 5 different students asked me about this question today because they got clustered. They cannot get the final correct answer that is printed on the worksheet. So let's look at it now. It is asking that a point moves in a straight line so that the distance at t from a fixed point of the line 8t minus 3t squared. What is the total distance traveled between t equals to 1 and t equals to 2? So what's 8t minus 3t squared? It is the distance from the origin, right? So that means that we can take it as s of t, right? So s of t equals to 8t minus 3t squared. This is important because some of them simply took this as v of t, which is wrong, right? And then let's look at it further. What should we do then? When you really think about this question, there is a possibility that the point is moving somewhere to the right and suddenly move back to the left. That move just like this, moving here to a point and then moving backwards again, right? So how can we do it then? We can use the calculator to draw the graph, right? So take out your calculator and plug it in. Here is the graph. Do you get it? Okay, let's look at the graph. Where is 1? 1 is here, right? What is that value? 5, right? And then what about the other one? 2. What is 2? That's 4, right? So then we can know the graph passed through 1, 5 and 2, 4, right? As we really look at the graph, our guess has been confirmed because it moves toward the maximum, which is here, from the yellow point to here and back down here, which means that we also need to find the maximum of that. Of course, you can use your calculator to find the local maximum using the starting point and the ending point. But for here, you can basically use the basic techniques of factorizing to find the vertex of a quadratic function, which is also easy. Of course, you can use that technique. So let's do it. So then, s of t equals to, let's factorize it so that we can find the zeros and then use the axis of symmetry to find the maximum. So that's t times 8 minus 3t. So 1, 0 is t equals to 0. The other t is 8 over 3, right? This is pretty easy. So then we know that the maximum should be on the axis of symmetry of this quadratic function, right? So it should just in the middle of these 2 points when t equals to 0 and t equals to 8 over 3. Then let's find the middle point, the average value of those 2 values. Then that will be 4 over 3, right? This is easy. And when we plug this back in here, we will know s of 4 over 3 equals to 16 over 3, right? I won't do those calculations again because they are really, really easy. So the case will be like it goes from 5 to 16 over 3. And then it goes back to 4, right? So what is the total distance traveled in these two different segments? From 5 to 16 over 3, then that's a third. From 16 over 3 to 4, that is 16 over 3 minus 12 over 3, that's 4 over 3, right? This is so easy. So as we find the difference between the sum of these two together, which is also easy, then that will be a third plus 4 over 3, which is 5 over 3. And this is the final answer. Do you get it?